How to change the URL to a product page in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. It is extremely simple and easy to do, so let's just get to it. So for example, this golden bracelet one, if we click on it, we can see that the URL is going to be /products/golden-bracelet. So let's say we just want to change this. So in order to change it, it's very simple. You just want to log into your Shopify admin and click on products. Next up, select the product that you want to change the URL to. So in this case, this one. Now scroll down to the bottom, right to the bottom, and you should be able to find search engine listing. All you need to do is click on the pencil icon right next to it and scroll down. Here you are going to be able to adjust the page title for the SEO, which is the meta title and meta description. But then most importantly, here we should be able to find the URL handle. This is going to be what you want to change. So you can just change it to be whatever you want. In my case, I'm just going to remove the dash and make it like this. Now make sure to also check this because just, in case people are going to use the old one, it's also going to redirect them to the new one. So make sure this is ticked and click on save. And that is pretty much all you need to do. So it may take a little bit of time for it to take, basically it may take a little bit of time for the changes to take place. But if we click on this one again, which is the same one, we're going to be able to see that the URL has actually changed for this specific product. And if we go to the previous one, which was like this, hit enter, is also again going to take us to the same product, but with the new URL. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.